Okay.
Okay, action.
It says checking.
Okay.
Checking the internet.
Okay, go.
All right. Okay, here we go. So here we are at the end of the day of our, was it 11th annual open house?
16.
Oh my God, time flies. 16th open house. So
Yeah, we go way back.
I'm George Fritz. I'm the owner of Mills Jewelers. Rich Junkie from ReJuvenere Medical Spa. Julie Muscato from Julie Muscato Home and Gifts. And we are absolutely thrilled at Mills to be joining these two wonderful businesses in our open house that we have first Tuesday of every November, or Saturday. Yeah. So we are giving away a $1,000 gift card. And I guess, Julie, I'll have you draw for us,
Oh, sorry.
and we'll see
Okay.
who won. We had a great time today
This is
with
a
everyone.
This is a drawing for Mills.
This is for Mills Jewelers.
This is for Mills.
All right. Donna
Shepherd.
Shepherd.
Donna
Donna
Shepherd.
Shepherd.
Congratulations, Donna.
Wow.
All right, we'll call her the second
Wow,
we get
she'll
back
be
to the
excited.
store.
I
Yeah.
know Donna very well. So good
And-
job, Donna. Okay, George.
Rich?
Well, welcome to the Sweet 16 open house. And why don't you go ahead and draw for ReJuvenere Medical Spa?
Okay. You're all
Check it
stamped. Michelle Basil. Or-
Basil, Basil.
With an E at the end. Basil with an E at the end.
Yeah, Basil with
Okay.
an E at the end.
Okay.
Oh, I think she was just
Okay.
down at my
So
store.
that's
All
gonna
right.
be. Oh, but you
Yeah,
know who that is.
I know.
Okay.
I'll put this in my pocket because that's ReJuvenere's winner.
So for our store, we're doing 2 wingback chairs, which you can check online. You'll see a image of them. And then how about you? Or who didn't draw?
Yep.
Rich.
Oh,
Rich.
I'll draw for you.
You draw for me.
Okay,
All
there
right.
you go.
Drum
There we go.
roll.
And this is Patty
Cavanero.
Cavanero.
There you go.
Patty
Yeah.
Cavanero.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Patty. 2 high back chairs. And Julie Muscato.
Yeah, very good.
Beautiful.
Okay. Very nice. And it's back to you.
I want to personally
So-
thank both of you for joining us in our open house. Rich started this whole thing 16 years ago, and
Yeah,
he was
2007.
kind enough to invite Mills Jewelers to join him, and then Julie, became part of it too. And
Yeah.
it's an annual tradition, and we absolutely love bringing some energy back to downtown Lockport.
It is something that downtown Lockport hasn't had for quite a many years. I mean, I grew up in Lockport as a little kid, as you guys have too. We shopped down here when our parents took us shopping down here when we were little. And it's been a long time since Lockport has had an event so successful like this, and a lot of patients, a lot of our people who visit us call this quite an event that they have with their family and friends, that they enjoy coming downtown Lockport and visiting our 3 businesses, and even hang around and seeing some of the other businesses that are down here. So it's a beautiful event for downtown Lockport, and we had a beautiful day, and it's a beautiful trio of businesses that have come here and brought this to Lockport. So I couldn't be prouder.
And this event actually, really extra, it's worth noting, this event that you started has really stretched a lot further than Lockport.
Oh, it has.
So it's very regional, people are coming from all over Western New York, so that's a really nice thing.
We have people coming from all over Western New York who have never even set foot in Lockport before until we started this
Yeah.
open house.
So thanks.
So
Well-
there's a lot of people that come to Lockport.
And we make sure we let them know what Lockport's all about. So, yeah.
So, welcome. And here's a Sweet 16. Here's a Prost. Here's a greetings from all of us to all of you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.